How's it going, everyone? Welcome to today's video. It's been a hot minute since I've recorded, mainly because I've been doing a lot of traveling for work, for vacations, for hanging out with friends and family, you name it. But I'm finally having a second to sit down and record some videos. So today I want to talk about the 5 things that I think Prusa needs to implement into their next 3D printer, and just what I would consider them to be very competitive against Bambu Lab, or at least more appealing to Bambu Lab customers. First off, I want to say I'm a huge fan of Prusa. I love their 3D printers. I'm a big fan of Bambu Lab and a big fan of their 3D printers. I'm in no way like picking sides with anything I say in this video. Matter of fact, just to put it out there, I only have Bambu Lab machines right now, but I have owned a Prusa machine. But in the current market, I just couldn't see the value for a Prusa machine compared to a Bambu Lab machine. I think you get more bang for your buck in what they're selling right now. And that's what kind of prompted this video, is I wanted to talk about what I think would help Prusa appeal to people like me. So the first thing that I want to mention is the MK5, or whatever the next machine is that's going to be that standard kind of 3D printer size. I want it to be a CoreXY. I think that CoreXY is the future. It allows you to print faster, the quality's great on them, and you don't have to worry about the bed like moving back and forth. I'm sitting here playing off camera with the Anchor Make, but you know exactly the footprint that it's going to have, so you don't have to worry about it accidentally moving it and then the bed moving back and hitting something, because it's all contained inside of that cube. So definitely think the MK5 or whatever that next printer is, I want it to be a CoreXY. I think that would be a game changer. Next up, this one I don't necessarily see happening, but it would be really cool: an integrated camera. I can't tell you a single time that I don't use a camera when 3D printing, at least for longer prints. Anything over 2 hours, I'm checking the app or the website to make sure the print's working. I'm not even asking for print detection or anything like that right now. All I want is just a built-in camera. And I know you can print things to add to Prusa machines and, you know, third-party options, but just a all-in-one solution made by Prusa that's first party would be awesome. Third is definitely more features with Prusa Link and an app. And this kind of plays in with the second one that I brought up, which was the camera. I think it would be nice to have a solution to where you can monitor your prints, make changes to, you know, the temperature or the speed it's printing, or, you know, whatever else other companies are offering. Just being able to manipulate the printer from an app would be awesome. I know that Prusa Link is available. It's in beta. It was kind of spotty whenever I was using it, so I don't know where it's at right now in its current state of development, but a dedicated app would be awesome. And keep in mind, and this is another thing that can be solved with third party. I'm not talking about third party. I'm talking first party only. Things that would appeal to a user that just wants to have something work, not tinker around with it. They just want to set it up and go. So first party is what I'm referring to in all of these comments. So now that we got through the first 3, there is 2 more things. But before I get into that, if you would just take a second to hit that subscribe button below and the like button, I'd really appreciate it. I'm not going to dwell any more time on it. Just please, it helps out the channel and it's free. Okay, so for the 4th thing is a less tedious network setup. If you have done any sort of setup on Wi-Fi with your Prusa MK4 or MK3, whatever, it's not that easy. It requires literally like taking a file from your computer, manipulating it on your computer, putting it on an SD card, moving it back to the printer, and setting it up that way. Bluetooth LE would be awesome, or just let me actually type in the Wi-Fi through like the controller on the screen. Like, there's got to be some easy options that could be easily implemented other than literally using a text file and uploading it that way. So yes, less tedious network setup would be awesome. And so this last one that I want to bring up, and I think that this is huge, and for anyone that's using Prusa on a day-to-day basis would understand this, and that is the ease of getting accessories, filament replacement parts in the United States. I know that they recently purchased Printed Solid, and it's becoming a little easier to get replacement parts inside the United States, but it just, I don't know, man. Like, I bought the MK4 and I had like I bought an adapter for the nozzle, and it wasn't available in America. I had to have it shipped from overseas, and it was like it costed me an insane amount to ship here. Like, I would love to see more stuff stateside, and maybe that's something they'll do in the future. So yeah, I think that it would be nice to be able to just, you know, go to my local micro center or whatever, just, you know, have some, especially with it being open source. I don't see a reason why they wouldn't have third-party affiliates more commonly available in the United States. So yeah, that would be nice. So guys, short and sweet video, the 5 things that I think that need to happen on the next Prusa machine. Hopefully you agree with me. If not, you know, let me down below, like, your comments, like whether you agree, what else you think I missed, you know, what would be important to you on these machines. I'd love to know. And again, if you could take a second to hit that subscribe button, the like button, whatever helps get this video out and helps me find more people that are into the same things as me, I'd appreciate it. All right, guys, thanks for watching this video. We'll see you next time.